Hey YouTube, it's Nayam Nappy and I'm back for another Tip Tuesday. Now this week we're going to be talking about my top 5 Ayurvedic herbs that condition your hair. So a lot of y'all always talk about how some of these herbs are so strengthening and sometimes you get a form of protein overload. So this is all about finding herbs that are right for conditioning your hair, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so my first pick is roses. Now you guys, I've actually been using rose water for quite some time. I actually have not yet made rose water, but have been using Henna Souk's rose water, and then when I went to Morocco, I got a bunch of rose water there. And roses are great for stabilizing the pH in your hair strand, which helps to seal the cuticle or relax the cuticle down, and for some people to help improve their porosity. Rose water not only adds moisture to your hair strand, but it provides softness and shine. Now you guys can easily make a DIY rose water recipe by using about a quarter cup of dried roses into about 1 and 1.5 cups of distilled water. You go ahead and boil that until the roses no longer have any color. Let it cool and you have your perfect rose water mixture, which you can use essential oils to give it a different scent if you like. Now I've been using that to refresh my twist throughout the week. Just spray that on, it's very hydrating. Sometimes I'll mix it with other products such as with aloe or with glycerin to help bring moisture to my hair as well. Additionally, I'll also use it on my face because it is a great toner. So next up is aloe vera. Now you guys know aloe vera is bae for so many people. And if you guys have never tried aloe vera, I definitely recommend going to your grocery store, getting an aloe vera plant and beginning with that. It is super simple to scrape out that gel and use it in a number of ways. Now aloe vera has 18 amino acids and over 200 phytonutrients that will nourish and hydrate your hair, skin, nails, everything. Aloe vera is just that type of herb, y'all. Now it is said that plants that have amino acids can help nourish your hair and condition the hair by penetrating deep into the hair strands, providing it that moisture and nutrients that it needs. If you guys want to learn more benefits and how I use it in my regimen, you can click up here and where I show you how to make a DIY leave-in with aloe vera. So next up is flax seeds. Now you guys, flax seeds are amazing because they're rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Now these fatty acids nourish the hair and increase the elasticity of our hair. So that elasticity gives your hair that snapback, that bounce that you want in your hair, that you need to know that your hair is properly hydrated and you have proper protein and moisture balance in your hair. Also, scientific studies indicate that flax seeds also help to decrease the DHT levels in your hair that can cause male and female pattern baldness. So it has plenty of other benefits as well. And let me tell you guys, you can definitely make this as a hydrating gel by boiling the flax seeds in water, as I do in this video up here. But importantly, you guys can take flax seeds in. Usually you can add it into a smoothie, or you can add it into salads or eat it any other type of way, because you can get those nutrients inside your body that will also help to hydrate and condition your hair. So next up is Amla. Now Amla powder, you guys, is probably one of my most favorite. I probably have like about 3 to 5 favorite herbs, but Amla is one of my most favorite conditioning herbs, and because it is rich in vitamin C, and that vitamin C helps to boost collagen production. Now this can actually penetrate deep into your hair strands to help to define your curls, nourish your hair, and provide key nutrients that can help improve hair growth, help reduce gray strands, and strengthen the hair at its root. So Amla powder can be added to, let's say, a henna gloss or a henna mask, or it can be used in a mask all on its own. Some people use it to make an oil with it. So there's numerous ways that you can do and use this in your regimen, as well as the amla fruit can actually be squeezed and drank as a juice. And I'll leave that recipe down below in my blog post, okay? So last, you guys, is one of my favorite herbs to make, and that is slippery elm. And slippery elm, the mucilage that comes from this, so if you pour water onto slippery elm, you could either boil it or let it sit, it'll produce a mucilage. And now this mucilage contains polyuronides, and these are actually like the gums and pectins that the plant produces, and that provides the hair with nutrients such as fatty acids, amino acids, and calcium. Now, slippery elm has amazing properties and able to help decrease strand cohesion. So whenever we get like a lot of tangles in our hair strands, slippery elm can actually help to break that bond cohesion by penetrating deep in the shaft, relaxing that hair shaft, and helping it and making it easier to detangle your hair. Now, you guys, I have a bomb recipe in which I use slippery elm with okra gel to detangle my hair, and okra gel has a ton of benefits. You definitely want to click up on this video here, how to make a bomb conditioning detangler. Now, if you guys have stayed with me to this point, I want to thank you, and because of that, I'm going to give you a little extra herb, and a lot of you guys know that I use this. I probably have about 4 or 5 videos on my page about this, and that is fenugreek. Now, I saved it to last because fenugreek does have some strengthening properties as well as conditioning properties. But I've noticed for me that one of the best ways in which I benefit the most from the conditioning properties is to hydrate my fenugreek. Now, I do that in this video here, and particularly I do this when I'm using the fenugreek powder. Now, I generally get my fenugreek powder from a Indian grocery store. You can also buy it in an Amazon store if you want, in my Amazon store down below. And you hydrate this with water and let it sit for 24 hours. You guys, it produces a thick mucilage and it makes detangling so easy for you. Like, that is the base for a lot of my recipes, for a lot of my deep conditioners, a lot of products that want slip and conditioning properties. So definitely check out those videos if you want to learn how to make fenugreek and use fenugreek in your regimen. Okay? So that's it for this week's Tip Tuesday. Now, next week I'll be talking about some herbs that help to cleanse the hair, breaking this down into a series in which I'll also give you in the following week some recipes on how to use stylers in your hair or make stylers from particular herbs. So stay tuned for the rest of that. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with any of your friends, and check out my blog post for any additional information regarding these herbs. So I'll see you next time. Bye.